Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things money, mindset, and long-term freedom. Today we're diving deep into a topic that could completely change the way you think about money. 5 habits that keep most Americans from building wealth. These aren't just random mistakes. They're silent traps that millions of us fall into without even realizing it. And worse, they keep us stuck in a cycle of working hard, but never getting ahead. If you're someone who's ever felt like you're making money, but not keeping any of it, if you've looked at your bank account after payday and wondered where it all went, or if you've ever envied someone else's financial freedom while feeling stuck, this video is for you. By the end, you'll walk away with a clear understanding of these habits, how they're holding you back, and what to do instead to build wealth like the top 1%. So grab a coffee or a notebook, settle in, and let's break it all down. Habit #1. Being excited about tax refunds. Let's start with a big one, getting excited about your tax refund. Now wait, I know what you're thinking, but that refund is my favorite part of tax season. And I get it, it feels like free money. But here's the truth. That tax refund isn't a gift from the government. It's your money. You've just been overpaying them all year long. Think of it like this. You loaned the IRS a few $1,000s for 12 months and got 0 interest in return. Meanwhile, they used that money. What if instead of overpaying, you adjusted your tax withholding and invested that extra money each month? Even just $200/month invested smartly could grow into tens of thousands over time. And the good news? It's easy to fix. The IRS even has a tax withholding estimator on their website. You plug in your numbers and it tells you exactly how to adjust. It's time to stop giving the government a free loan and start using that cash to build your future. Habit #2. Buying because you can afford it. Habit number 2. Buying things just because you can afford them. This one is subtle but dangerous. It's that moment when you're shopping and you see something you don't need, but since you technically have the money in your account, you buy it anyway. That mindset is quietly sabotaging your wealth. Let's say you're eyeing a $1,000 new iPhone. Can you afford it? Sure, but should you? That $1,000 could go into a Roth IRA, your emergency fund, or into your business. Instead, it's gone the second you tap buy now. We've been trained to think in terms of monthly payments, not actual value. You hear someone say, it's only $150 a month. But those monthly payments add up and lock you into a lifestyle where your money controls you, not the other way around. So next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, is this helping me build wealth, or just showing off that I can? The goal isn't to be cheap, it's to be strategic. Habit #3. Obsessing over luxury cars. Now let's talk about a classic money trap, luxury cars. I know, it feels good to drive something that turns heads. But for most Americans, that fancy ride is draining your future wealth. Here's how. You finance a $60,000 car with a 5-year loan. Your monthly payment? Around $1,000. Add in insurance, gas, and maintenance, and you're spending $1, $500+ a month just to own that vehicle. And let's not forget, it's a depreciating asset. As soon as you drive it off the lot, it starts losing value. Now imagine if you took that $1,000 a month and invested it instead. At a modest 10% return over 25 years, you're looking at $1 million. That's right, your car could be costing you $1 million retirement. You don't need to impress people who don't pay your bills. Drive something reliable, invest the difference, and let your assets show your wealth, not your car. Habit #4. Waiting for the right time to invest. Habit number 4. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest. This mindset keeps people broke. They say, I'll start when I make more money, when the market calms down, when the economy gets better. But the truth is, there's never a perfect time. The perfect time was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Let's say you invest $100/month starting at age 21. With average market returns by 67, you'll have close to $1 million. But wait just 10 years. That total drops by more than half. That's the power of compound interest. It rewards time more than amount. You don't need thousands to start. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard, and start small. Automate your investments so you never forget. Because the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Stop waiting for the stars to align. Start with what you have, where you are. Habit #5. Comparing your finances to others. And finally, habit number 5. Comparing your finances to everyone else. This one is huge, especially in the age of Instagram, TikTok, and influencer culture. You see someone buying a mansion at 27 or flying first class and think, I'm falling behind. But here's what you don't see: the debt behind that mansion, the stress behind the smile, or the fact that it's all for show. You're comparing your real life to someone's highlight reel. Comparison leads to poor financial choices. You try to keep up, spend more than you should, and lose sight of your own goals. True wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about being free. Free from debt. Free to take time off. Free to help your family or retire early. So block out the noise. Focus on your journey. Set financial goals that matter to you, not based on what your cousin, neighbor, or favorite influencer is doing. The real flex? Living below your means and stacking assets quietly. Remember, wealth is a marathon, not a race. So there you have it, 5 habits that are sabotaging your financial success and how you can fix them. Start by making small changes, and over time, you'll see how powerful those shifts can be. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more content on building wealth the smart way. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage it. Until next